friends, how are you? I hope you are well and you will be fine. So viewers, welcome to my channel Fashion Pics. In this video, I will tell you women shrugs, boleros and cardigans. They are latest design for parties, wedding and many occasions. It has fancy outfits, clothes for women. And you see very nice and decent design for women. Like these colorful shrugs and crochet pattern design. And these colorful combination and decent style as well as. You can also wear in any occasion. So viewers, you can get the video ideas by catching a screenshot of good design you like. Friends, these shrugs are very comfortable to wear it. And these decent colors are looking good. You really like it, I hope. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying this video. Friends, if you like the video, so please press the like button and share this video to your friends and your relatives. And also subscribe to my channel Fashion Pics and hit the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis. Thank you so much for watching my video.